Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you do quite well. Here is big vintage font bundle with designs. Total folder is 47 and total file is 1283. Size is 2.84, but don't worry, I will compress in some GBs or some MBs. Okay, these are protected password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK and buy now in $3 or $2.99. Okay, for lifetime, all password in this app. Okay, no Adobe Illustrator install in my computer, but don't worry, I will show you the design or font. Here is bodybuilder 47, two folder, one design, and second is font. Okay, you see designs, APS and AI files, you can edit everything. Okay, here is font, here is design, same thing is here. You can edit in Adobe Illustrator. You see, wow, trick. Okay, and here is bodybuilder. So you can write your own text title. Okay, smoker, and here is biker. Wow, original labor typeface biker. Okay. Fairy tale, here is just font and camping design, camping font, river black window. I hope these files are useful for you. Kindly subscribe me. Allah Hafiz.